How's everyone doing today? We're here in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. Our neighbor's sidewalk was failing and needed some repairing. So we're gonna make a video on how you could do a simple repair like this at home. And here we're just framing out the sidewalk with leftover wood that we had from a pallet. All the material we're using in the video today we got at Home Depot, and we're using Sackcrete Extra Strength. So we're taking the concrete and just quite literally pouring it into the framed area. And then we're taking another board we had left over from the pallet to screed it nice and level. And then we just sweep off any of the concrete that got onto the existing sidewalk. After that, we take the hose and we soak the concrete until it slightly puddles on top. Once the water starts to puddle, then you just let that absorb into the concrete. Here we're just taking the float and just smoothing it out. You could also just use any old hand trowel. And then we're going to take the hose and we're going to soak the concrete till it starts to slightly puddle on top once again, and then let that soak in. We only recommend doing dry pour for repairs like this or projects around the house, because it's very important to get the water ratio right when you're dealing with concrete. If you don't get the water ratio correct, now you're messing with the integrity. So the concrete won't be as strong, it's more susceptible to cracks, etc., etc. And that would be the only negative I have with doing dry pours. Other than that, it came out great. It's going to do what it's supposed to do. And when it's all cured up, none will be the wiser. Alright guys, there's your dry pour video. If you liked it, maybe hit that like button. Consider subscribing. It helps out a lot. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.
I'm gonna write the wolf. Nah, I'm not gonna.